Hello, my name is François Couny. I'm Product Line Manager for the EXFO Optics product portfolio. EXFO Optics provides innovative solutions for optical characterization in both research and development laboratories and manufacturing environment. EXFO Optics family of benchtop product is at the leading edge of optical telecom test and measurement. As the development of data centers and 5G pushes manufacturers to produce optical components quicker and more reliably, let's take a look at how EXFO Optics accompanies them in addressing the parametric testing challenges. EXFO Optics family of product covers two aspects of optical fiber testing: active and passive optical component testing. For any network equipment manufacturers, optical spectrum characterization of light sources is a key element during development or manufacturing to certify the performance of their system. Based on the know-how gained in developing and manufacturing our line of optical filter products, the Optical Spectrum Analyzer OSA20 offers world-class optical testing specifications. The OSA20 is an ideal tool for tough telecom measurements such as spectral characterization of optical transceivers, WDM signals with advanced format of modulation, and optical fiber amplifiers. Our OSA20 is also the fastest OSA on the market today and comes with a complete suite of analytical tools adapted to the source under test. To support the rush of 5G, technologies like silicon photonics and other integrated optics solutions are already imposing a rapid transformation of passive optical component testing requirements. The best way to achieve the required quality of measurement in a fast and reliable way is to use the swept laser technique. In this technique, a component testing unit operates jointly with a high-quality tunable laser source, such as a T100 SHP, to provide best-in-class spectral measurement. The CT440 and CTP10 are two families of products that offer agile test solutions for passive component testing, where both speed and accuracy are required. The CTP10 has an intuitive user interface with powerful data processing engine, allowing multi-channel characterization over the full dynamic range in a single scan. For more information, don't hesitate to visit our website or contact our representative to talk about your test and measurement challenges and how EXFO Optics products could help you. Thank you for watching.